Okay, here we go with some more Delta math. This is with Mrs. O'Donnell. We're going to start with simplifying fractions. This should be a review skill, but let's just check it out, right? So Delta math asks us to simplify this fraction completely, 66 over 77. So I like to break it down. Oh, is my pen not working? Here we go. I like to break it down into the pieces and parts whenever I'm simplifying. So I know 66 is 6 times 11, and 77 is 7 times 11. And I see, hey, anything divided by itself makes one whole. So 11 divided by 11 is actually equal to 1, right? And any number times 1 is just itself. So simplified, this is 6 divided by 7, or 6 over 7. I want to make sure and check the 6 and 7 to see if there's if I can make it any simpler. And hey, 7 is prime, so I know that doesn't break down anymore. So 6 over 7, and there you have it. Let's go ahead and plug that back into Delta Math. When I'm typing it in, I'm going to type in 6, my slash or my question mark button to make that division sign or that fraction sign. And yep, there I got it. Delta Math specifically is calling it the GCD, or greatest common denominator, or greatest common divisor, I guess. So there you have it. That's how you reduce a fraction.